All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is Sports Dom coming back with another video. And I have another record album unboxing for y'all. I told you the next time I got another record, I would do a unboxing, and this is my wife's record album. She chose this one, and it is Mac Miller. The album is Circles. She really wanted this record album, so when I got my Chris Stapleton record, we ordered this one, but this was a pre-order, so it just arrived today. So it's gonna be an interesting album. I don't know the guy, but she likes Mac Miller, so she wanted this album, and so we got her this album, and she's gonna be excited to listen to it. So comment in the comment section below on what you think, if the choice was a good choice, you know, what songs you like by Mac Miller. And as always, if you like my videos, like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you don't miss a video. This is Sports Dom. Peace, and go Lakers.